Central Onboard Computer, or ZBR. Well now, so this ZBR it's blown, fried, because the battery poles were inverted, yeah. Plus on minus, minus on plus, and poof. Anyway.
So now I will open the ZBR to see how big is the damage inside, and if the repair will be a success, I will need to reprogram it or clone it, let's say, because it was bought from the scrapyard, it's second hand, and I will mount it on another truck, another type of truck. So it needs some modification in the software, and that I will do it with my new tool, AutoVEI.
Anyway, enough with the talking, let's go deep inside this ZBR. Correct. And it was really heated. That's a switch, a power switch. I'm sure this power diode, and also this one. But first I need to get rid of this clear coat. First one, the blown one, yeah, 0. Second one, yeah, good, good, good. Here I have a new diode. In one way, nothing, and that's normal. And in one way, that's it. So here we have only one gone. Now let's see the big one. Yeah, 0. Also this one is gone. Yeah. I'm sorry for the noise. Now the new diode. This one it's bigger and a little hard to get it out.
Oh, okay.
So it seems to be okay. I've replaced all the damaged components. So now let's go to the interesting part, and I'm so excited because I've been waiting for a long time to own such a capable tool. I'm talking about Truck Explorer from AutoVEI. Anyway, enough with the talking, let me show you what I'm talking about.
The OBD. Here I got the USB.
Well, I gotta say, this tool, it's really make my work much more easier, and I can do also much more things. Anything for ZBR, PVR, PTM, ADCs. This is, and now we have here EBS, CBS, ADC 17, ADC 7, PVR, GS3, that's the gearbox, JTAG, PTM, ZBR 10F273, I think. Let's check again the manual. Yeah, 10F273.
This one here. Oh, so much solder. Clear coat.
So 1 kilo ohm resistor equals 1000 ohms, and the colored lines on the resistor should be brown, black, red. That means 1 kilo ohm. Okay. Connect. Here. Memory analyze. Right flash. And I have it here. Good. Writing. With this tool you can go to the next level. Anyway, I will do some more videos in the future with this tool also, where we're gonna learn together as we go. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.